screen to make the machines continue building. Try it on your own. Keep up the good work. Filling truck. Amazing. Let's take this old house away. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Try it on your own. We need to wash. Truck. Let's start foaming the machine. Now it's your turn. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Go on. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Now you try. Run the washer over the machine and clean up the rest of the foam.